Fedora 44 Workstation already feels incredibly polished the moment you install it. Gnome looks clean, animations are smooth, and the whole desktop feels modern without needing much setup. But honestly, the real power of Fedora starts showing when you install the right Flatpak apps. Not random apps just to fill the app grid. I'm talking about applications that genuinely improve daily use and make Fedora feel even more complete. So, in this video, I'm showing you 5 Flatpak apps that I think every Fedora 44 user should try. Starting with Mission Center. Mission Center is probably one of the cleanest Linux applications available right now. It's a modern system monitor that actually looks like it belongs on a modern operating system. The interface is smooth, organized, and fits perfectly with Fedora's Gnome desktop. You can monitor CPU usage, RAM, GPU activity, temperatures, storage usage, network traffic, and running processes in real time, all inside one clean interface. And what makes Mission Center stand out is that it never feels cluttered. Everything is easy to understand at a glance. Even if you're not constantly checking system stats, it's still satisfying to watch how Fedora handles workloads in real time while applications are opening, updates are running, or files are transferring. Compared to older Linux monitoring tools, this feels dramatically more modern and polished. The second app is Warp. And honestly, this is one of the most visually satisfying utility apps available for Linux right now. Warp is a modern file transfer application designed specifically for sending files quickly between devices on the same network. But unlike traditional transfer tools, Warp focuses heavily on simplicity and speed. The interface is extremely clean. You open the app, drag your files into the window, and instantly generate a transfer link or QR code that another device can access. There's no complicated setup process, no accounts, and no unnecessary menus everywhere. And what makes Warp really nice on Fedora 44 is how polished everything feels. The animations are smooth, the design matches modern Gnome desktops beautifully, and the overall experience feels lightweight and fast. It's one of those applications that feels simple at first, but after using it a few times, it quickly becomes part of your regular workflow. Especially if you constantly move videos, screenshots, project files, or documents between devices. Next is Extension Manager. Now, if you use Fedora Workstation with Gnome, this app is almost essential. Gnome extensions are one of the biggest reasons people love customizing Fedora, but managing them through the browser can sometimes feel awkward. Extension Manager fixes that completely. It gives you a proper native application where you can browse, install, remove, update, enable, and disable Gnome extensions from one clean interface. And honestly, this is where Fedora starts becoming personal. You can completely change how the desktop feels with just a few extensions. Add blur effects, enable tray icons, install a dock, improve multitasking, modify animations, customize workspaces. And because Fedora 44 already has such a polished Gnome experience, small customization changes can make the desktop feel even more premium. The fourth app is Bottles. This is one of the most useful applications for Linux users who still occasionally need Windows software. Traditionally, wine setups on Linux could become messy very quickly. Different dependencies, broken configurations, compatibility issues. Sometimes it felt harder than it needed to be. Bottles simplifies the entire experience. The app creates isolated environments called bottles, where each Windows application can have its own settings and compatibility layers. That means games, launchers, utilities, and older software stay separated from each other instead of creating one giant mess. And the interface is surprisingly beginner-friendly. You can install dependencies, tweak settings, switch compatibility runners, and manage applications without digging through complicated terminal commands. For Fedora users especially, Bottles works beautifully as a Flatpak because everything stays cleaner and easier to maintain. And finally, the fifth app is Sober. This app has become extremely popular recently for one simple reason. It gives Linux users a much easier way to run Roblox. For years, Roblox support on Linux felt inconsistent and complicated, but Sober makes the process surprisingly straightforward. You install the app, launch it, sign into your account, and start playing. That simplicity alone is what makes this app impressive. So, those are 5 Flatpak apps that I genuinely think improve Fedora 44 Workstation immediately. Mission Center gives Fedora a beautiful modern monitoring experience. Warp makes local file sharing fast and effortless. Extension Manager unlocks the full power of Gnome customization. Bottles makes Windows applications far easier to manage. And Sober shows how much Linux gaming support continues to improve. And honestly, this is the kind of software that makes Fedora not just powerful, but genuinely enjoyable to use every single day.